Hello everybody, I am the owner of Advanced Massage Therapy. Today I have a wonderful guest. Her name is Nancy. I've been wanting to do this kind of video for a very long time, and today Nancy is going to tell her amazing story about massage.
My face went numb one afternoon. I talked to my neighbor lady. She said, you better go to the emergency room, could be a stroke. I said no. I had gotten in bed, I was by myself, and I thought, if something happens in the middle of the night, no one's here. So I got up, got dressed, drove myself to the emergency room. They did IVs, they did an MRI, CT scan, they did brain scan, they did ultrasound on the carotid arteries, they did a spinal tap. And after 3 days in the hospital and $237,000 worth of testing, they found nothing. So they said no stroke. So I went home and still had the numbing for about 2 weeks. Then I was on my flight back to Fairbanks. I went to a Fairbanks doctor because the numbing was still there, only on half of my face. And then he said, your motor functions are good, no sign of stroke. And I says, well, what about a massage therapy? Oh no, don't go to them. They can really damage. And so I thought, well, I got to do something because it's not getting better. So I called Svetlana and she got me in. After 3 sessions, the numbness was totally gone. It stayed away for a little over 2 years. I have just gotten it back a little bit, called her right up, got me right in. We're doing the cupping and the massages once a week, and it's 90% gone, so it does work.
Wow, awesome. And then also, remember when we just started to work on you, it was about like 2 years ago, right? And then when you were in Arizona, and then you kind of fly back to Alaska for the summers.
Yes.
And then the numbness, because you weren't getting therapy, the numbness kind of came back a little bit.
Yes.
And then we did how much sessions? 3 sessions, was it?
3 sessions. 3
sessions. So the first 2 sessions, her numbness in her face was getting a lot better.
A lot better.
But then it was just on the tip of the tongue, and then we kept doing a little bit more sessions.
Right.
And her numbness is it completely gone now, or almost?
Right now, it's I would say it's 90% gone. It's in just the tip of my tongue again, which we went through before.
Yep.
So this will be the third or fourth session right now, three cuppings, and so I'm pretty sure today after my session, it'll be totally gone. It works really well.
Awesome. And also, you thought massage wasn't like really effective,
no,
right?
I thought massages were just for relaxation, you know, nothing medical. But you know, after this, any little thing I get now, I'll come here first. And I guess my only regret is not keeping up with like a maintenance program, going the full 2 years, you know, before, and then some of it came back. She worked it out. Yeah,
that's awesome. Yeah, I'm really happy to hear that you were able to notice and realize how, like, wow, massage is actually really beneficial. Because a lot of times people think it's, oh, when I go on vacation, that's awesome too, but it's very therapeutic. So if you're going through something, you know, a lot of muscle pain
with the massages, and I could notice the decrease and I think after the 3rd or 4th one, it was totally gone, and it was gone for over 2 years. It never came back.
Wow, that's awesome.
So I guess, you know, I should have stayed in a maintenance program, you know, with it, and then I don't think it would have ever come back. But
well, thank you so much, Nancy, for sharing your story. I hope this could encourage a lot of people to be like, maybe massage will help me. And thank you for willing to, you know, talk to me and kind of share your story. That means a lot to me.
Oh, you're more than welcome.
Okay, thank you so much. And my name is Svetlana again, and I'm the owner of Advanced Massage Therapy. So you can give me a call at 907-888-4060, and I'm also located in Fairbanks, Alaska.